Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadhira Maulidia Zulfi, Class 2A English Education. Today I'd like to talk about genetically modified or GM food. Genetically modified food is food, either a plant or animal, that has been altered in the laboratory by scientists. The scientists take something from one plant or animal and add it into a different plant or animal to make it grow in a different way. There are some benefits and the possible risk of genetically modified food. First is the benefits of GM food. Scientists are trying to make food plants that are better than normal plants, to make plants grow better, taste better, or be healthier to eat than normal plants. One benefit is that GM plants may need fewer pesticides than normal plants. For example, there's a type of corn that is bad for insects but doesn't hurt people. This type of corn is beneficial because farmers use fewer pesticides to grow the corn, and so there is less pollution in the environment. Also, the corn is less expensive because the farmers don't have to spend a lot of money on pesticides. By using fewer pesticides, the corn is cheaper and the environment is cleaner. Another benefit is that genetically modified plants may grow better than normal plants. One example is a type of GM strawberry that can grow in cold weather, and farmers can plant the strawberries earlier in the spring and in the fall, when normal strawberry is usually dried. The third benefit is that many GM plants stay fresh longer. For example, there's a kind of tomato that stays fresh in the store for about 2 months instead of 1 or 2 weeks. Next, let's talk about the risk of growing this type of food. First, genetically modified plants may start to dominate the other white plants in the environment. For example, a new tomato plants are stronger than normal plants, and because they are stronger and grow faster, the GM tomatoes may start to dominate the environment, causing the white plants to die. The second is genetically modified foods can hurt animals and insects in the environment. The most important risk is the genetically modified food may be harmful to the people who consume the food. We just don't know. Scientists are trying all kinds of new things, such as a produce from animal into a plant. For example, to make a fruit like strawberries stay fresh longer, scientists took a gene from a fish and added it into a strawberry. We need to keep studying GM foods to make sure they are good for us and the environment. So that's all from me about genetically modified food. Hopefully it can be useful for us, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.